Hello everyone, Rick Sadler with Hit and Run Candlesticks. This is Saturday, July 30th, 2022. Just sitting here putting together some trades for next week, and here's another one that I'm looking at. I'll put this on my watch list, and I will trade it if it triggers. So let's take a look at it here, maybe what I'm looking for. So we've got another gap here with this FIVN, and we don't have earnings till November, so I think that's a good thing right there. I'm going to put up a little line right here on this, the body of this doji, and then I'm going to put another line right there. So that's sort of what I'm going to pay attention to. And if we start to trade above that line, so let's give it a little green arrow here. If we start to trade above, what I'm going to look at is a bullish chart, an entry. And then we're going to look at a possible target up here at this line right in here. We'll go look at that in just a second. And then with another possibility, up here at 142.40. So this potentially could be a pretty good trade. We're going to have to monitor it and be a little cautious, and always remind myself that I'm a swing trader and to take profit into swings, and that swings always pull back to give another entry. And the idea that it might just swing without a pullback all the way up here, it just doesn't make sense, and typically it doesn't happen. So what happens is somewhere along that swing we're going to have some pullbacks, and when we spot those tops, that's what we're going to take profits, and then we may re-enter on the pullback as it continues to swing up. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at for the first target of about 11.5%, and you know that changes a little bit with your entry and exactly where it closes. But I want to see potentially what this chart could do for me here, and potentially we've got 11.5%, and I'm just simply looking at these highs right over here, the May 3rd highs right in that area. And then potentially we could get up to 142.40, and I'm looking at the highs right through here. So what do we've got here? December 2021 to January 11th, 2022, right through this area here. So potentially that could be pretty good. Now, as far as a short goes, we have this trend line here, maybe through this area right in here, something like that. So potentially on the short side, if this starts to move to the downside, I see something in the neighborhood of 10%. We'll paint this red, there you go, for a short to the downside. So let's watch, what I'll be watching for anyway, is are we going to get positive trading to the downside? I guess that would be negative trading to the downside. Are we going to see that positive trading to the upside? Hey, it might not actually occur, and the trade just might not trigger for me, because I'm also going to have to take into account what the market is doing as well. So it may not trigger. I don't know. I will alert members on the members and trial members of Hit and Run Candlesticks. If you have downloaded the app, which is free if you're a member or trial member, you'll be alerted when I enter this and any adjustments I need to make. Members, thanks for being a member of Hit and Run Candlesticks. If you're interested in a 30-day trial, check that link below, okay? Alrighty, I'm going to go spend some time for my Saturday. You guys take care, and we'll see you later on. I will put a few more videos out this weekend. Thanks a lot.